Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Enable NFC in settings and open Samsung Pay so your cards are ready. Add a supported card, complete verification, and set it as default if you prefer one-tap payments. Once done, lock and wake the phone with the screen on and unlocked to speed transactions. You're starting the payment flow now, so keep the card selection screen visible. This reduces delays and prevents the terminal from timing out during the next step. Now position the back of your phone close to the terminal's NFC reader and keep it steady. Proximity matters for reliable transmission. When the phone prompts, authenticate with your fingerprint, PIN, or biometric. This authorizes the secure element to transmit tokenized card data. Make sure you feel the vibration or see the confirmation message on screen before moving away, because removing too early can interrupt the exchange. If you're at a crowded terminal, angle and hold. To finish, check the on-screen confirmation and collect the terminal receipt if needed so you have proof of payment. If the terminal rejects contactless due to limits, insert the chip or choose another payment method. Many retailers enforce thresholds. If NFC doesn't work, make sure NFC is on, restart the device, and clear Samsung Pay cache. If that fails, remove and re-add the card. As a quick diagnostic, try another terminal or phone to isolate whether the issue is the card, phone, or reader.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.